Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Crypto. Today I want to talk about, of course, the man of the hour, Elon Musk, who keeps giving us these wonderful sales or dips, as most people like to call them. I wanted to delve a little bit into the impact that he's had on crypto recently, and because some of his actions have been a bit unconventional, to say the least, I was inspired to dig in a little deeper to find out what exactly his end game is, and what I've found does not disappoint. So let's get into it, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts. So first and foremost, the story begins a short time ago after Elon now made the famous tweet that Tesla will accept Bitcoin, which you can see on the screen here. Bitcoin rallied from this news only for the hype to be cut short by a complete reversal in policy from Tesla. Tesla will not accept Bitcoin for payments, citing environmental concerns. This action led many to wonder why a mere few weeks ago, after this company invested over $1 billion into Bitcoin, would he blatantly speak negatively about it? Surely there's a reason, right? Well, after taking a look at some hints left in his tweets, that appears to be the case indeed. Let's refer to this tweet made by Elon Musk, where he admits to Tesla owning and operating their own Bitcoin nodes. You'll note how this is directly contradictory to their claims of environmental concern from mining Bitcoin. That is, unless Tesla was running nodes with solar energy, of course. But this is where things get even more interesting. Allow me to introduce to you the next character in the story, named ARK Invest. ARK Invest is a top shareholder of Tesla, and their recent work gives us some good insight on what may come next, which I will discuss in depth in this video. Most importantly, ARK published an article demonstrating research on solar battery Bitcoin mining. I've got some snippets of it here. The research seems to hint at a Bitcoin use case for Tesla regarding energy provision and efficiency, one that Tesla's team mentions later in this thread. And the results are very promising. ARK argues that Bitcoin mining can increase the overall share of a grid and generate more electricity than renewable carbon-free sources. This is discussed a little bit more in this thread, which I'll link in the video. But the world with Bitcoin is a world that, at equilibrium, generates more electricity from renewable carbon-free sources. So you may be wondering, where does Tesla fit into all of this? Many are unaware of this fact, but 13 states in the US require auto manufacturers to sell a minimum amount of zero-emission vehicles to be allowed to sell any vehicle in their state. Companies who do sell zero-emission vehicles are, like Tesla, get environmental credits, which can be sold to other car manufacturers who don't yet have zero-emission vehicles for sale. In fact, Chrysler agreed to buying billions of dollars worth of these credits, and it made up to 7% of Tesla's total revenue, $428 million last year alone. While this is great in practice, the profitability is expected to decline in the future due to companies creating their own carbon-free alternatives to bypass this. This is additionally confirmed by Tesla's CFO, Zach Kirkhorn, in talks about Tesla's earnings. So this is more in discussion here in this article that I've got in front of you. Considering the fact this significant portion of revenue will be taken away, do you think that it is possible that Tesla may seek Bitcoin as a solution to promote renewable energy and monetize it? It's very important to remember that Tesla is more than just an electric car company, guys. And, you know, this is one of the big things that people don't talk about with Elon Musk and obviously all the crazy things and wacky things that he says and does. It's not just about Tesla. Tesla's main business is in producing solar panels, solar roofs, and batteries. Oftentimes, Tesla Powerwalls run into excess energy, which could hypothetically be rerouted to Bitcoin mining with a GPU. This way, Tesla could turn excess power into a digital asset, instantly bankable. Have a look at this. I saw this online and absolutely loved it. And there is, in fact, more to confirm this possibility. From an interview With core Tesla team members, they discuss their virtual power plant model, and it becomes quite clear what is going on at Tesla with their auto bidder platform. Sounds quite a bit like blockchain technology, hey? Well, I agree. Let's continue. To me, it looks very possible Tesla may soon announce a renewable way of mining Bitcoin by using excess energy generated by Powerwalls, one which could be used by anyone with Tesla roofs, panels, cars, and much more. To fully understand what I'm talking about, to reveal, I want to give a brief bit of background information on Elon Musk and what he's building as an ecosystem first. Elon Musk is light years ahead of everybody in terms of innovation. His mission for SpaceX is to create a self-sustainable society on Mars. Becoming multi-planetary is vital to our future, and Elon knows this very well. Since the Mars colony will be self-sustained, we have a reason to believe that their currency will be Bitcoin. Is it a coincidence solar energy is the best source on Mars? Still not convinced? Just listen to this interview that I'll link in the bio. On the podcast with very own ARK Investment and Elon Musk, where he discusses the prevalent issues with using USD compared to cryptocurrency. But this doesn't even begin to cover the lesser known, astounding projects that Elon is building, which may in fact tie together into some sort of master plan. And obviously, look, I don't want this video to go on and on and on, but I'm just going to recap here. Starlink is a massive project backed by Elon Musk and his company SpaceX. By launching a staggering 47,000 satellites into space, Starlink will offer internet access worldwide, where many aren't already capable of doing it today. With it, the internet will be changed forever. And here's the kicker. Remember when I discussed the possibility of Tesla Powerwalls mining cryptocurrency with excess energy? You'd need a way to ensure nodes don't have downtime. And what's a better way to do that than having a universal satellite internet access for Powerwalls? The last thing I wanted to go over, and this is the video I was talking about before, guys.
Paper money is going away.
Yes.
And crypto is a far better way to transfer value than pieces of paper. That's for sure. Paper money is...
As you can see, paper money is going away, he says. The last thing I want to go over are the distinctive investments by ARK Invest, which seem largely motivated by Elon. Keeping in mind they bought 20 million worth of Bitcoin. Space equals SpaceX, internet equals Starlink, robotics equals the Boring Company, fintech equals ? So to recap, Tesla invests $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Elon says Tesla will accept Bitcoin. Elon admits Tesla runs their own Bitcoin nodes. Tesla stops accepting Bitcoin, citing environmental concerns from mining. ARK Invest, a fund holding massive amounts of Tesla, releases solar Bitcoin mining paper. Included in the research are specific use cases for Tesla. ARK Invest then buys $20 million worth of Bitcoin. Tesla profits from renewable energy credits will dry out soon, forcing them to look for other ways to monetize excess power. Tesla Powerwalls regularly run into excess energy. With a simple GPU mining Bitcoin, Powerwalls could monetize energy and settle transactions a lot faster than traditionally possible. Elon's goal is to create a self-sustaining life on Mars. Starlink could enable any Tesla consumer to begin running their own Bitcoin node free of internet downtime. So that is the recap, guys. We might see a huge narrative change here. This will actually attract people to use renewable energy for Bitcoin and potentially bring in hundreds of millions of users. I don't believe Elon will FUD Bitcoin after investing without a plan. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world. And despite everything that he does seeming a bit wacky, there's a reason he is that way, and he is, quite frankly, a genius. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, watch this space.